Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Let's look at today's top medical news. Oral chemotherapy drug effective against pancreatic cancer. A recent study published in the journal Proceedings of National Academy of Sciences indicates that a common chemotherapy supplement called folinic acid weakens the cancer's defenses in pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma. The battle against cancer resembles an arms race, with immunotherapy emerging as one of the most powerful tools available to clinicians. Immune checkpoint therapy has become a standard treatment for various cancers. Nevertheless, it often proves ineffective for majority of patients with pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma. Previously, it was believed that pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma did not provoke an immune response. However, recent researchers have proved that immune cells do indeed attack the tumors. The problem is that these cells have difficulty penetrating the aggressive tumors, allowing pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma to evade destruction. Promising new strategy to slow cancer progression. The findings were published in Nature Chemistry reveals that protein targets of cancer protein, when disrupted with particular chemical compounds or small molecules, may help to stop cancer cell growth, potentially leading to creation of more effective and targeted cancer treatments. In this study, scientists outlined activity-based protein profiling, a technique that allows for the global capture of protein activity. The research team applied this technique alongside another approach to identify both the proteins and specific sites that interacted with a set of stereo probes, chemical compounds designed to selectively and permanently bind to proteins. These stereo probes help investigate protein functions and uncover potential drug targets. The research team's stereo probes were electrophilic, designed to permanently bind to proteins, specifically targeting the amino acid cysteine. Elevated dementia risk linked to acute kidney injury. A recent study published in the journal Neurology finds that acute kidney injury is linked to a higher risk of developing dementia. Acute kidney injury, which involves a rapid decline in kidney function, is fairly common among older adults and is linked to higher rates of illness and death. Previously, studies have suggested that a potential link between acute kidney injury and brain injury. The study explored the link between acute kidney injury and various forms of dementia by analyzing data from 3 lakh individuals aged 65 years and older. Approximately 25% of participants experienced at least one episode of acute kidney injury during an average follow-up period of 12 years, and 16% were diagnosed with dementia. Revolutionary needle-free intranasal COVID-19 vaccine. A recent paper published in the Nature Communications reveals the efficacy of delivering a COVID-19 vaccine via the nasal passages. These vaccines are live attenuated intranasal vaccine called CTO7N1, which are delivered through intranasal passages that induces robust mucosal and systemic neutralizing antibody and T-cell subset responses that, when tested in mice, which was triggered by a single immunization. The virus that causes COVID-19, known as SARS-CoV-2, has led to more than 700 million infections and 7 million deaths around the world so far. It still poses a serious threat to people who are vulnerable. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.